How to make chocolate bars with cocoa powder? There's so much you can do with chocolates. I've posted several chocolate recipes recently, but can't get enough. And if that wasn't enough, here's how to make chocolate bars with cocoa powder. Another great chocolate recipe. I'll give you two versions, a healthy dark chocolate one and an indulgent milk chocolate variant, both recipes you can make using cocoa powder. What you need to make homemade chocolates from cocoa powder. Making homemade chocolates only requires a few basic ingredients. My dark chocolate recipe is a healthy version. All you need is 3 cocoa powder, coconut oil or cocoa butter, liquid stevia. On the other hand, the milk chocolate variant requires a different sweetener and some added ingredients. Cocoa powder, coconut oil or cocoa butter, milk powder, powdered sugar, vanilla or dark chocolate recipe using cocoa powder. It's a 3-ingredient vegan, no sugar chocolate for a healthier you. Prep time, 2 minutes, cook time, 5 minutes, resting time, 1 hour, total time, 1 hour. Ingredients: 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup of coconut oil, vanilla stevia or liquid. Instructions: Step 1: Melt the coconut oil in the microwave for about 30 seconds in medium. Step 2: Add in the stevia according to how sweet you want your chocolate to be. Stir. Step 3: Add the cacao powder and stir until well blended. If you want to add nuts or dried fruits, chop some and add them at this point. Step 4: Pour the mixture into the candy molds of your choice. Step 5: Freeze the chocolate for at least an hour. Step 6: Serve and enjoy. Milk chocolate recipe using cocoa powder. Decadent chocolate using basic pantry ingredients. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 5 minutes, resting time, 1 hour, total time, 1 hour 10 minutes. Ingredients: 3/4 cup of coconut oil, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1 cup confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: Step 1: Melt the coconut oil in the microwave for about 30 seconds in medium. Step 2: Add in the sugar and stir until well combined. Step 3: Add the cocoa and milk powder at the same time. Stir to incorporate all the ingredients. Step 4: Add vanilla extract, stir again. If you want to add mix-ins such as mallows or sprinkles. Step 5: Pour the mixture into the candy molds of your choice. Step 6: Freeze the chocolate for at least an hour. Step 7: Serve and enjoy.